Depending on what level of plan you have with ChatGPT, you may see that ChatGPT now has available Agent Mode. If you see the button at the bottom, you can click on it and you can try Agent Mode. When you do that, what you'll notice here is that you have suggested tasks. You also have the agent that is available. It's a good idea to look at OpenAI's help screen for agents to determine what limits you may have and what the agent can actually do. Agent is currently available for Pro Plus and Team plans. You can anticipate that an agent task can take between 5 and 30 minutes, depending on how complex your task is. You do have monthly usage limits for the agent, and they are counted every month. As for the question whether agents can use connectors, ChatGPT can use the connectors that you have already set up. Now, because the agent requires a virtual browser, it will prompt you to take control of the browser, and you can indicate how you want to log in with sensitive information. You can clear the data inside of the virtual browser. It's important to note that in order to interact with the web pages, the agent uses screenshots to see the interface, which allows it to click buttons, fill out your forms, and navigate websites. Those screenshots are going to be limited to the virtual browser window when the task is active. You can see different ways to use the agent here in this area. For example, Agentic reports, Agentic actions, Agentic spreadsheets, and Agentic presentations. To use a specific source for the agent, you can indicate that source here in this area. Otherwise, the default setting will be for ChatGPT to use the web as it would in normal queries. We are going to use the agent to create a presentation. And what you'll notice is that the agent will start by setting up your desktop and by going through the process. You can watch the process in real time. Now, the entire process takes between 5 and 30 minutes, so we're going to stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from the completion of the entire task. And the final presentation is now complete. We are going to download the presentation. We will then open the presentation inside of Microsoft PowerPoint, and the presentation is now complete. So what you have witnessed is an agentic process taking specific content and turning it into a PowerPoint presentation. What makes this agentic is that you would typically have to do all of these processes in stages and to do them yourself. And ChatGPT has completed the entire process. So it's a good idea to understand all of the agentic processes that ChatGPT can complete for you and to begin exploring them using your available agent tasks. Okay, to that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.